Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into products that enhance your beauty and wellness journey. Today, we're reviewing the portable massage chair, a versatile and lightweight option designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This massage chair features a heavy-duty metal frame, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight design. It's upholstered with high-density foam, providing superior comfort during sessions. The chair's PU leather cover is water and oil resistant, facilitating easy cleaning. Its compact, foldable design, accompanied by a sturdy nylon carry case, makes it ideal for on-the-go use. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no tools and taking approximately 3 minutes. Usage experience. Setting up the chair is a breeze, with all necessary components included. The adjustable face cradle, chest pad, armrests, and seat allow for customization to suit various body types and preferences. The chair's lightweight nature, weighing just 23 pounds, makes it easy to transport, whether you're moving between clients or traveling. Performance. The chair supports up to 300 pounds during use, with a static capacity of 700 pounds, ensuring stability for a wide range of users. The high-density foam padding offers a comfortable experience, and the adjustable features accommodate different body types and massage techniques. Pros and cons. Pros: durable, heavy-duty metal frame, high-density foam for comfort, water and oil-resistant PU leather cover, compact, foldable design with carry case, tool-free assembly. Cons: limited color options, may not be suitable for extremely tall individuals. Comparisons. Compared to other portable massage chairs in the market, this model stands out for its combination of durability, comfort, and portability. While some alternatives may offer additional features or different aesthetics, this chair provides a balanced mix of functionality and convenience. Considering its quality construction, comfort, and portability, this chair offers excellent value for its price. It's a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking a reliable and comfortable chair for their practice. Build quality. The chair's heavy-duty metal frame is powder-coated to prevent rust and scratches, ensuring longevity. The high-density foam padding is firm yet comfortable, and the PU leather cover is both durable and easy to maintain. User-friendliness. The chair's adjustable components and tool-free assembly make it user-friendly. Its lightweight design and included carry case enhance its portability, making it convenient for mobile therapists. Customer support. While specific customer support experiences may vary, the product's design emphasizes ease of use and minimal maintenance, potentially reducing the need for customer service interactions. Real-world testing. In practical use, the chair performs well, providing a stable and comfortable platform for various massage techniques. Its adjustability accommodates different body types, and the easy setup and breakdown are beneficial for therapists on the move. Updates. As of now, there are no significant updates or changes to this product. Final verdict. The portable massage chair is a solid choice for professionals seeking a durable, comfortable, and portable solution. Its combination of features and value make it a commendable option in its category. This chair is ideal for massage therapists, tattoo artists, or anyone requiring a portable and comfortable seating option for their clients. Longevity. With proper care, the chair's durable construction and materials suggest it will provide reliable service over time. Alternative options. If you're exploring more budget-friendly alternatives, consider the FDW massage chair, which offers similar features at a lower price point. Search 3. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.